Hello and welcome! Today, we're going to explore a very famous and important song, Like a Rolling Stone by Bob Dylan. This song is known all over the world. It tells the story of a woman who once had everything, money, comfort, and an easy life, but then she loses it all. She must learn how to live in a new way, with nothing. Through this song, we can learn about change, about losing things we value, and about understanding how it feels to be alone. Let's find out together what the words in this song mean and why people still talk about it so many years later. First, let's talk about the story and history of the song. Bob Dylan is a very famous singer and writer from the United States. He started his career playing simple folk music with just an acoustic guitar. He would write songs about life, about the world, and about people who needed help. People liked his music because it was honest and real. But in 1965, something big happened. Bob Dylan changed his music style. He went from playing quiet, acoustic songs to making loud, exciting rock music with an electric guitar. Like a Rolling Stone is from this important time in Dylan's life. It was released on the album Highway 61 Revisited. When people first heard this song, they were surprised. Some fans did not like the change. They wanted Dylan to stay the same. But this new sound became very popular and changed music history forever. Dylan showed that it was okay to do something new, even if it was hard. He helped make rock music more about words and stories, not just the music itself. Now, let's look at what the song is about. The lyrics tell the story of a woman who used to be rich and important. At the start of the song, Dylan sings, "Once upon a time you dressed so fine, threw the bums a dime in your prime, didn't you?" This means that once she wore very nice clothes and had lots of money. She was living her best life, or as the song says, she was in her prime. She even gave money to poor people, but in a way that showed she felt above them. She was comfortable and powerful. But everything changes. The woman in the song loses her money and her place in the world. She is no longer important. Now, she has to live like everyone else, without help, without special treatment. The song asks her a powerful question. How does it feel? How does it feel to be without a home? Like a complete unknown? Like a rolling stone? This is the most famous part of the song. Dylan keeps repeating the question, how does it feel? He wants her, and everyone listening, to think about what it means to lose everything. What does it feel like to have nothing? To have no home? To be a complete unknown, which means a person that nobody knows or cares about anymore. And what is it like to be like a rolling stone? A rolling stone is a person who has no home, no set place, and no clear plan. They just keep moving, never stopping, never belonging anywhere. Rolling stones can be lonely. They do not have the comfort of a house or a community. The song is not just about one woman. It is about anyone who might lose what they have, anyone who might need to start their life over from nothing. Let's take a moment to look at some key words and phrases from the song. First, to dress so fine means to wear very nice clothes, often expensive ones. It shows that the person is rich and wants others to notice. In your prime means the best time in your life, when you are young, strong, or successful. An unknown is someone that nobody cares about or notices. The song also talks about throwing the bums a dime. A bum is a person with no money or home, and a dime is a small coin. This means giving a little bit of money to the poor people, but not really helping them, just doing it to feel good about yourself. When Dylan sings, how does it feel to be on your own with no direction home, like a complete unknown, like a rolling stone? He is asking about a deep kind of loneliness. No direction home means having no place to go, no family, no comfort. It is a big change from the life the woman once knew. This song is about change. Sometimes people who seem strong and safe can lose everything. Life can be hard. The song reminds us to have empathy. Empathy means understanding how someone else feels, even if we have not had the same experience. If we see someone struggling, we should remember that things can change for anyone. The rich can become poor. The powerful can lose their power. We should be kind and understanding because we do not know what life will bring. Like a Rolling Stone is more than just a song about one woman. It is about all of us. It asks us to think about what we have, what we might lose, and how it feels to be alone or lost. It teaches us that we should not think we are better than others, because life can change quickly. The song's message is still important today, even after so many years. To finish, let's remember the main question: how does it feel? We should try to understand what it feels like to lose everything, to be alone, or to start again. This helps us care about other people. Bob Dylan's song is powerful because it makes us think about life, about kindness, and about change. Thank you for joining me to learn about Like a Rolling Stone. This song is still loved by many people because it tells a true story about life and reminds us to have empathy for others. Remember, no matter where you are in life, things can change, and it is always important to understand how others feel.